What's poppin', everybody? I'm back to another episode, y'all. Man, this shit is I'm feeling damn good about these. Just getting better and better at talking to the camera and shit. It takes a little bit of time to get used to it, but the more you do it, hey, the better you get at it, right? Um, all right. Well, today we're back with a push day. I did my first little warm up, pumping sets. I'm about to get my second warm up set in real quick. Luckily, I got enough time to really just juice out these warm-ups. Because sometimes I'm in a hurry because I got clients in the morning and shit. But today, I have like 2 days out the week where I don't have clients in the morning. So it's those days when I try to record and I try to get the most out of my warm-ups and out of my entire workout. Other days, I just like be rushing through it and shit and trying to get through it. And that's not always the worst thing ever. Like, I'm a little bit more time efficient with those other days. But I don't feel the most comfortable going for huge records on those days. But like today, I don't know. We're gonna see how this first warm-up set is feeling with this plate, and we'll determine it from there. All right, let's get it. Let's get it rolling.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Oh yeah. All right. Got man, no shoulder pain. Chest is feeling right on target. Like, oh yeah, might be a good one today, y'all. Let's see what we got. All right, so 2 of these warm-ups, you guys. Like I said, I'm feeling it. So let's see what the fuck we got. Come on. No talk. No more talking on this one. Come on. Oh yeah. Okay. Another one I was feeling pretty damn smooth. Let's jump into 2. Let's see what we got for today. All right, y'all. First working set, 2 plates. We gotta run it up a little bit. Man, again, I don't think I even talked about this last time, but man, 2 plates without a spotter was always one of my fucking goals. We're like, I'm not repping out like 10 of these bitches, but like 4 to 5, that's like what the fuck I'm talking about, y'all. Slowly but surely. All right, let's get this shit going. Ooh. Oh, I'll take the 3. Fucking, like I said, it wasn't I don't want to make excuses, but I didn't feel like it was gonna be a record day. Yeah, that's a little janky right there, but maybe next time we'll get a little bit more. Let's see what we got. Ooh, working set 2, you guys. Oh, I'm feeling like a fucking animal right now. The pre's kicking in like a motherfucker. Yeah, I know people always hated on the pre like tingly feeling. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of thrive off of that shit. It's like it gets you going like. It just makes me feel like I got some crazy fucking crack in my system, and it's I don't know what that's like, but I mean, hey, I think this is the closest thing to it right here. All right. Oh, and mixed with this shit, like man. Again, this is I got this from. Actually, I found this motherfucker, this smelling salts here, and it's been doing the damn job. Like I don't even know how long they last. Like I don't know how this shit works. I still need to like look into this shit and study it because maybe I'm literally killing my brain cells. But hey, it's giving me a good pump, so I'm like, fuck it, right? Come on. Woo! Woo! Okay. So I'm getting 3 each set. This is my second set only, right? But since I'm only getting 3, instead of doing a back offset, because usually I do 2 heavy ass sets like that, and then I go to a back offset like 10 pounds less. But I think I'm gonna just go stake with this and just go for another set this weight. And man, I might even go for 4 full sets of just 3. And that might be my best bet for the day. All right, let's see how this shit feels in the next set. Let's get it. Set 3 of these bitches. Let's see what we got, man. I guess we're going for 3 again, but let's see what the fuck my body's letting me get at. All right. Oh, let's get this shit rolling. Come on. Oh yeah, that was straight. Oh, fucking hell. I'm dying. I'm dying. No, we made it happen, y'all. I think I got one more set of me of those. Let's get it. Last set of these, y'all. Let's see what we got. Hopefully I don't fucking kill myself, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. Let's do this shit. One last set. Come on.
Ryu, this is crazy.
I know y'all seen that. My ass is coming way up off the bench. Look, I mean, some people say that's cool. Man, I call that cheating. Like, I was not proud of that last rep. The other two were clean, you know. That was for the most part as the bench. But don't play yourselves, y'all. When you're doing that, using a little bit more, not just your chest, using a little bit more of your entire body. And sure, that's cool in like powerlifting and shit. And like competitive and all that, but yeah, fuck all that, man. Let's get it going. I'm gonna move on to these fucking shoulder military presses here, all right? Oh, we're gonna see what we got today. That shit was rough as fuck. You know, I kind of went till I couldn't over there. Pretty much to a failure. We got 4 of those 2 plate sets. Like, oh yeah, this is gonna be real rough. But that's what we here for, right? That's what we here for. To put some fucking work in, y'all. Let's do this shit. Oh shit. Fucking rough. Oh yeah, that's what I call the grind right there. Let's keep it pushing. Set 2, baby. We went up 10 pounds. Now we're hitting a plate on each side. I forget. So yeah, 135. So let's get this shit rolling. I don't got no time to talk right now. I mean, I do got time. I just can't think about it too much. Like I always tell my clients, don't think about it, just do it, right? So let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Oh shit. Fuck, I'm fine with just 4. Look, especially after all that benching, I kind of expected to be hitting this, for this to be a little rough, but I didn't go for 1 plate on each side in a bit, just because I usually go right after benching. I'm usually dead as fuck, but hey, I'm going for it today. Let's keep it going. I gave myself a fat ass break for this last set, just cause man, that last set, y'all seen that shit? I was struggling like a motherfucker. I mean, it's still gonna be tough, but you know, the longer the breaks in between these hard ass sets, the better. Cause you know, look, when it comes to breaks, if you're not going for lower reps and heavier weight, like say, like right now, I'm just aiming for like 3 to 4 to 5, and if I was aiming for like 10 to 12, I'll probably only be taking a minute, maybe 2-minute breaks, but when I'm only going for like 3 to 5, that's when I'm going to shoot for around probably like 3-4 minutes, and then sometimes even 5 minutes. No, so not on this in particular, but deadlifting and like squatting, I'm definitely might take 5 minutes in between some of them, just because you know either I'm maxing out on it every once in a while, or I'm just trying to go for 3 reps, and that shit gets tough as fuck. So, all right, let's hit this shit, y'all. Set 3. Oh Lord. Ooh, shit, again, every once in a while you want to grind those reps out like that. Last week, when I hit these, I was going for like 6 to 8. I was failing at like 6 or 7, but getting 3 to 4 on this shit, I'm fine with that right now. Let's keep it going. We got 1 more set. All right, y'all. Last set of these. I'm done with this shit. Ready to call it. Man, I know I'm thinking out loud. I should probably I'm going down 1, bro. I don't want to go. I don't only want to do 4 reps this set. I want to. So now we're back down to 35 each side. So that's a 115 here, y'all. Let's get this shit going. Come on. More reps for the last set. Let's go. Woo, shit. Those always fuck me up. We're feeling great though, man. All right, let's finish this. Let's keep it rolling. I mean, next exercise. All right, y'all. Let's keep it pushing the tricep extensions. I'm gonna do the behind the head. Actually, no. I'm gonna do the ones where you, yeah. Behind the head pushes here, y'all. Man, honestly, I don't even know the name for this one. I just call it tricep extensions. And if anybody knows the technical term, let me know, cause I don't really know. It's whatever. As long as I'm putting in some work, that's what fucking matters to me. A little bit. Come on. Ah. Okay, I was feeling good. I was feeling good. Let's keep it pushing. Only 3 sets of this. Set two. Set two. Let's keep it pushing, y'all. Oh, come on. Let's see what we got. Actually, I got 12 on that last, so let me go up. I could have got more too. I just kind of, man, I need to stop doing that. Look, the issue is sometimes I don't like setting a number, like to a target number to hit, just because a lot of times when we set this number, say like I just did, like in my head I was like I'm going for 12, and I still had like probably 4 or 5 left in the tank, and it's a lot of times I like to determine it more by just going. Like I don't even think about how much I'm doing. I just go till I can't no more. And sometimes that's for the best. Sometimes it's like if you got to take it easy. If you're taking it easy, they obviously got to count and like watch yourself. But today I'm feeling good to put in some work, so I'm gonna just go until I can't no more. All right, let's see what we got. Set two.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Woo! That's what I'm fucking talking about. That's failure right there. Oh yeah, last but not least, you know, I'm listening to Big Papa right now. It ain't the best workout song ever, but man, this shit about smoother than a motherfucker. I be in this bitch. You smile. One that must have dialed. All right, come on, let's go. Let's go. Set three. Finish it. Finish it. We went a little heavier too. Let's see what we got.
Ryu, this is crazy.
So we need. Oh, I'd rather go heavier on some fucking chest presses coming up. Woo! That's what we call them triceps extensions. Y'all, let's get it. All right, y'all. I went from only dumbbell pressing to only bench pressing, so I like to get back into whatever here and there, you know. So let's do this shit. A slight incline. We'll talk a little bit more of the upper chest. We'll see how we're feeling. I haven't hit this shit in too long, bro. I used to hit 90s. I used to hit 85s and 90s for repping them out, but I'm gonna hit 75. See how it goes. Okay. Woo. All right. The last set was moving too clean, y'all. So I want it to be a little bit more of a struggle. Let's get it. I love 5 pounds. Maybe I'm hoping to end up at 85. Again, it's been too long, so let's see what we got. Ooh, come on. Woo! Oh man, I'll take it. Damn, y'all, I got another fat ass break in between there. I was out there talking to a trainer and shit. So, set 3. Let's see what the fuck we get out of this. Come on. Ooh. Ooh. Almost got 5. It's crazy. Ooh, that's what we call it. All right, y'all. Last fucking set of these presses, man. Honestly, this got me feeling fucking great because I'm hitting 85s after all the heavy ass benching and after all those fucking military presses that were heavy as fuck for me too. So it's like still hitting 85s on this. I mean, it's like if I started off, I probably could have hit 90s and 95 for reps. I'm like, yo, whatever though. Let's get this shit rolling. Ooh. Woo. All right, y'all. Chest supported lateral raises. Let's do this shit, y'all. It's one of my favorite lateral raise variations just because like this shit really locks in with the fucking shoulders here. Let's see what we got. Oh shit. Hopefully it don't fucking move around. Hold on. Oh yeah, nope. Gotta put a big old weight right there. Oh, woo. Oh, that felt great. Man, your shoulder's starting to pop, yo. Fuck. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Ooh, let's get it set two. Man, I used to only exclusively listen to rap when I was working out, but now rock is the way to fucking go. Well, actually, don't get me wrong, I still listen to rap, but every once in a while, I gotta just lock in straight rock, yo. I gotta listen to classical, man. What y'all motherfuckers know about Def Leppard? Def Leppard. What y'all know about hey, I'm not gonna lie, it's probably the corniest one, but AC/DC, bro, they got some hits, dog. They got some fucking hits. Honestly, I don't give a fuck about corny. That shit, they got some bangers, y'all. Let's get this shit rolling, though. Oh, fuck that. Fuck that. I'm calling it there. Woo. All right, five. Hell no. Let's keep it going. All right, y'all. Set three. I'm kind of over this shit. When I'm pushing 2 hours, I'm like, all right, I got to call it at this point. And I'm getting there. I got like fucking 20 minutes till I've been here for 2 hours. So let's go.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Oh my fuck. Ugh. Okay. That's what I call a fucking banger of a set right there. Banger of a set. Yeah, let's keep it going. One more set and we're done. All right, y'all. Last set of these bitches finishing off with some fucking rap. Cause I don't even be going that crazy right now. I'm ready to cool down. Let's go. Ugh. And that's how we fucking finish a push day, y'all. Let's go get this pump check going. I'm done with this shit. Come on. All right, y'all. Let's wrap this shit up with a pump check. Let's see how we looking, y'all. Come on. On this fucking fantastic push day.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Come on. Everything. Oh, fuck. Man. Oh, this posing should be fucking me up sometimes. Ugh. Woo. That's all we need, y'all. Thank y'all for tapping in and checking out another fucking episode, y'all. We're getting these gains in, and hopefully y'all can keep just, helping the brother out. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to do. Fuck, I'm gonna cut that up. Thank y'all for tapping in again, you guys. Please, if you can, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that shit. Just because if you fuck with me, I fuck with you. Let's keep this shit rolling, y'all. Catch you on the next one.